Hi guys, I'm AKJMF. Welcome to my channel. My Mudguard is broken and I'm going to replace it with a new one. So I'm going to show you the new one, then we go under the car and show you the old one. Over here, here's the new one, inside the box. Yeah, my brother is showing you. It's pretty new. It's the left side Mudguard. This is how it is. We are going to fit this to the car. We are under the car. You can see right here, you can see the Mudguard have a big crack over here where my finger is pointing. There over there you can see a hole. Then at this side I have another big crack. Like it pretty messed up. Whole Mudguard is coming off. Like sooner or later it's going to fall off. So I better replace it to avoid a big damage. That's why I'm going to replace it. Let's get it off. It's all fucked up. Going to find a place to dump it. Now that new mod guy is ready to be installed. Let's put it there. This part is the most difficult because you can blindly see the bolt where this part is going to get on. Over here, see this hole? I'm pointing my finger. Finish off the work. Just finish like replacing the mod guide. You can see the new one, how it is. Look fresh. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.